Jai Hind children. Today we are going to learn the division word problems. In exercise 6a, question number 5, first A question. Let us read the problem first. 12 students participated in a quiz. There were 4 students in each team. How many teams were there? Okay. Let us understand once again. 12 students participated in a quiz. In a quiz, total students participated is 12. There were 4 students in each team. Okay. There were 4 students in each team. How many teams were there? So we have to find out here the number of teams participated in the quiz. Okay. So for that, the statements needed are, first the information given is about the total students. So write down total students participated in a quiz is 12. And second information given is the number of students in each team. So that is 4. Now we have to find out number of teams is equal to total number of students are 12 and we know that there are 4 students in each team. So 12 divided by 4. Here we will show the division 12 divided by 4. Okay. Now write the table of 4 here. 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. So 12 is completely divisible by 4 here 3 times. So 4 threes are 12, 12 minus 12 is 0. Okay. Now the answer is 3. So here it is equal to 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. It means the number of teams participated in the quiz are 3 teams. So you will finally write there were 3 teams. Okay. You can write there were 3 teams participated in the quiz. That are even in complete sentence also you can write it. Okay. Now go to the B question. 24 students took part in a relay race on school sports day. If there were 6 teams in the race, how many students were there in each team? Here children, see the difference. In this first problem, 12 students participated and 4 students in each team. In each team, 4 students, that information was given and you have to find out the number of teams here. Here, 24 students participated in the sports day and in that 6 teams in the race they were. Now you have to find out the number of students in each team. See here. In this case also you need to divide, then only you will get the answer. So let us see the statements for the second problem. Here, B problem. Total students took part in a relay race. On school sports day is 24 total students participated. And the another information was given that number of teams in that race. In the race is 6 teams participated in the relay race. Now we have to find out number of students in each team. So 24 total students divided by 6 teams. Then let us see here the division 24 divided by 6. Okay. Now write the table of 6 here in the rough. 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. We will see here 6 fours are 24. Okay, 24 is there. It is completely divided by 6. How many times? 6 fours are 24. So minus 24. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now here 4 is your answer. This is your quotient. And now you will write 4 here. 4 students in each team. What we have found it out? Number of students in each team is 4. So you will write the final answer statement. There were 4 students in each team. Okay. This is your final answer statement. Now we need to do exercise 6D, second question. Second question, that is about divide and check your answer. Divide and check your answer. First, see the question here. Let us do in the notebook. Divide and check your answer. 72 divided by 5. So write here. Let us write here. 72 divided by 5. Now let us do the division, children. First you will go to the tens place. First tens you will see that it is divisible by 5 or not. Okay. 7 is not completely divisible by 5, but you can take here, you can write down the 5 table. Let us write 5 zeros are 0, start from 0. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, and 5 tens are 50. Okay, we have written the 5 table completely here. Now 7 is not divisible by 5, so we will take the nearest number that is completely divided. So here 5 zeros are 0 and 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 10 is more than 7, so you will take 1 10. Okay, you will take this 5, 1 is 5, so here 1 times 5 ones are 5. Children, everybody remember, first you will divide, multiply, 5 ones are 5. Now subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay. Now 2. Now this 2 is left over. This you will bring down 22. Now this 2 has come down to 2. So it has become 22. Okay. Now again we will start the same thing, that 22 is to be divided by 5. So 22, let us see, is there any 22 here? No. 22 is not there, but there is 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. But 25 is more than 22, so you cannot take this. 20 is very nearer to 22. So you will take this, and smaller also, 5 fours are 20 you will take. So here you will take 5 4 times is 20. Again subtract. Okay, we have divided. 5 fours are 20 multiplied. Subtract. Okay, 2 minus 0 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is. Okay, so now this you can see that 2 remainder, it is less than our divisor, so it cannot be divisible from here, so you will leave this. It means here the quotient is 14 and the remainder is 2 here. Okay, now you need to check your answer. Okay, to check the answer we will write check. Okay, here quotient for dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder equal to the dividend. So here we will replace quotient is 14 and our divisor is 5 and remainder is 2. Okay, now come on, we will do the multiplication here. 14 table, if you know, that is okay, but if you don't know, we will do it here. 5 4s are 20, 0, 2, 5 1s are 5, 6, 7. It's 70. Okay, it is 70. 14 plus 5 is 70 plus 2 is equal to 72. Okay, 72 is our dividend. It means our division done, it is correct. Okay, so in this way you need to check your answer. First you will do the division, you will find out the quotient and the remainder, and then you will write our formula and replace the numbers, and you will do the checking in this way. Okay children, hope everybody has understood. Thank you.